With the liquid crystal 3D printer, we're changing the way the world manufactures. For the first time, designers, engineers, and artists will have the capability of printing beautiful 3D objects at previously unattainable prices. At the heart of the liquid crystal is the patented Daylight Polymer Printing Technology. By combining a 10-inch, high-resolution LCD screen and our specially formulated resin, users can produce large volumes at a fraction of the cost of other 3D printers. The liquid crystal is the next generation of 3D printing, a simple, high-quality machine at a price you will love.